Will Smith's motorhome, famously dubbed the Heat, is a testament to luxury on wheels, redefining the concept of a mobile home. This incredible motorhome is reported to have cost over $2.5 million and offers an extraordinary level of comfort and opulence that suits the actor's high-profile lifestyle. Spanning approximately 1,200 square feet when fully extended, the Heat is a two-story marvel of engineering and design. The interior is beautifully decorated with a blend of modern and rustic design elements. The living area features a comfortable seating arrangement and a large flat-screen TV, perfect for relaxing or watching movies. The kitchen is well equipped with modern appliances and a dining table that can be converted into a workspace. The bathroom is luxurious and includes a shower and a vanity. The bedroom is spacious and features a king-size bed and plenty of storage space. The RC12M is a behemoth of a motorhome, boasting a 12-meter length and built on a Volvo FH chassis with a powerful 540 horsepower engine. This luxury coach-built marvel features 4 massive slide-outs, a sprawling 7-meter awning, and a generous rear garage, transforming the interior into a space reminiscent of a high-end apartment. The RC12M motorhome features a meticulously designed interior that blends comfort and practicality. A gourmet kitchen equipped with state-of-the-art appliances and ample counter space is the heart of the home. The spa-like bathroom offers relaxation with premium fixtures and a spacious shower. The master bedroom, a sanctuary of comfort, features plush bedding and generous storage, often rivaling a luxury hotel suite. The Tesla semi-truck motorhome concept is a revolutionary vision that combines the power and efficiency of Tesla's all-electric semi-truck with the convenience and luxury of modern RV living. This concept imagines an eco-friendly motorhome capable of long-distance travel, featuring Tesla's cutting-edge electric technology while offering all the comforts and amenities typically found in high-end recreational vehicles. The interior of the Tesla semi-truck motorhome would be a futuristic, eco-conscious design that seamlessly blends comfort, functionality, and cutting-edge technology. This modern space would offer the conveniences of a high-end motorhome with a focus on sustainability and intelligent energy management, redefining road travel for the eco-minded adventurer. The Tesla semi-truck motorhome would have an all-electric kitchen with energy-efficient appliances, a compact bathroom with a low-flow shower and composting toilet, and a bedroom featuring a foldable bed, smart storage, and customizable lighting and climate control. The THOR Vision vehicle is a groundbreaking concept that reimagines the RV experience for the electric age. This innovative motorhome combines a high-capacity battery pack with an integrated fuel cell, offering an impressive 300-mile range and extended off-grid capabilities. Beyond its powertrain, the Vision vehicle boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design, a spacious and intelligently designed interior, and advanced technology for seamless navigation and energy management. With a focus on sustainability and comfort, THOR's Vision vehicle represents a significant step forward in the evolution of recreational vehicles. However, as it is still a concept, there is no official price available. Valentino Rossi's VR46 motorhome is a testament to the legendary MotoGP rider's opulent taste and practical needs. Built on a robust Mercedes-Benz chassis, this behemoth of a vehicle is a mobile fortress designed to provide Rossi with the ultimate comfort and functionality during the grueling race circuit. Its exterior is a bold statement, adorned with the iconic VR46 logo and Rossi's signature racing number, making it instantly recognizable to fans worldwide. Valentino Rossi's VR46 motorhome boasts a luxurious and functional interior designed for both comfort and practicality. The living area features plush seating and stylish decor, while the kitchen is equipped with top-notch appliances and ample counter space. The compact bathroom includes a modern shower and sleek fixtures, ensuring convenience. The bedroom offers a large, comfortable bed with custom bedding, creating a serene retreat. The Dembell Motorhome is a symbol of luxury and innovation, offering an unparalleled experience for discerning travelers. Combining advanced technology with elegant design, it provides the comfort of a high-end home on wheels. Dembell caters to discerning individuals who seek the pinnacle of luxury and comfort while exploring the world. These motorhomes boast innovative features like large garages, slide-outs, and ample storage, while maintaining a sleek and sophisticated exterior. The interior of a Dembell motorhome exudes luxury with a fully equipped kitchen featuring high-end appliances, a spacious bedroom with a premium bed and ample storage, and a sleek bathroom offering a full shower and modern fixtures. Every detail is designed for comfort and convenience, making it feel like a high-end home on the road. The Dembell motorhome with its large garage model is priced at a staggering $1.5 million. The VARIO Signature 1200 motorhome is a luxurious and meticulously designed vehicle that epitomizes the pinnacle of mobile living. With a sleek, modern exterior and a spacious, meticulously crafted interior, the Signature 1200 offers unparalleled comfort and style. A standout feature is the XXL car garage, capable of housing a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT and offering automatic retraction on a self-supporting car platform. The VARIO Signature 1200 motorhome interior exudes luxury and sophistication with its expansive and thoughtfully designed spaces. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances and ample counter space, while the bathroom offers a modern shower and elegant fixtures. The comfortable bed provides a restful retreat, making the entire interior a blend of sophistication and practicality. The base price for the Signature 1200 starts around $922,000 US. The Living Vehicle HD30 is a luxury travel trailer designed for off-grid living with an emphasis on sustainability and comfort. It combines high-end design with advanced technology to offer a unique mobile living experience. Built with robust materials, the HD30 provides a spacious interior, including a living area, full kitchen, a queen-size bedroom, and bathroom, all of which are designed to maximize efficiency and comfort. It is equipped with solar power systems, a large water capacity, and the capability to operate independently from traditional power sources for extended periods. Ideal for those seeking freedom and self-sufficiency, the Living Vehicle HD30 is a premium option for modern nomadic living. The Living Vehicle HD30 starts at $400,000. The EarthRoamer XV LTS is a luxury expedition vehicle built on a Ford F550 chassis, designed for off-grid adventures. Equipped with a powerful turbo diesel engine and advanced four-wheel drive system, it effortlessly conquers challenging terrains. The EarthRoamer XV LTS boasts a luxurious and functional interior designed for off-grid living. The kitchen area is a marvel of compact efficiency, featuring top-tier appliances and ample storage. A seamless transition leads to the sleeping quarters, where comfort meets adventure. With a massive fresh water tank and efficient solar power system, the 15 LTS offers unparalleled self-sufficiency for extended expeditions. The EarthRoamer XV LTS typically starts at around $490,000. The Truck Surf Hotel is a unique mobile accommodation that combines the thrill of surfing with the comfort of a modern hotel. Built on a large truck, this innovative hotel travels to some of the best surf spots in Portugal and Morocco, offering guests an unforgettable adventure. The hotel features cozy rooms, a fully equipped kitchen, a lounge area, and a rooftop terrace, all designed to provide a relaxed and comfortable atmosphere. With the flexibility to move to different locations, the Truck Surf Hotel ensures that guests are always close to the best waves and stunning landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or just looking to experience the freedom of life on the road, the Truck Surf Hotel offers a perfect blend of excitement and relaxation. The STX2 Pop-outs Motorhome is a remarkable example of luxury and innovation in modern recreational vehicle design, crafted to offer the ultimate experience for travelers who desire both comfort and mobility. Equipped with two strategically placed pop-out sections, this motorhome transforms from a compact, easily maneuverable vehicle into a spacious and inviting living space once parked. The STX2 Pop-outs Motorhome offers a spacious and comfortable interior, featuring a cozy sleeping area, a modern bathroom with essential amenities, and a fully equipped kitchen for convenient meal preparation. The two pop-outs create extra space, making the motorhome feel open and accommodating, perfect for those who value comfort while traveling. The price can easily climb into the $400,000 to $500,000 range. The Azimoo Tepui is a rugged and versatile overland vehicle designed to take adventure seekers to the most remote and challenging terrains with ease. Combining robust off-road capabilities with the comfort of a mobile base camp, the Tepui features a durable, weather-resistant rooftop tent that provides a comfortable sleeping space elevated from the ground. Inside, the vehicle is equipped with ample storage, practical amenities, and adaptable spaces for both gear and living essentials, ensuring that travelers have everything they need for extended outdoor expeditions. Whether tackling rough trails or camping under the stars, the Azimoo Tepui is built to deliver reliable performance and comfort in the great outdoors. The Azimoo Tepui, priced at around $270,000. The Krismar Exclusive XL Motorhome is a testament to opulence and personalized luxury. Built on a foundation of excellence, this behemoth of the road offers an unparalleled living experience. Its exterior is likely characterized by sleek, aerodynamic lines and high-quality materials that exude elegance and durability. The Krismar Exclusive XL Motorhome offers a luxurious interior with a spacious living area featuring plush seating and a modern entertainment system. The fully equipped kitchen boasts premium appliances and ample storage, while the bedroom provides a comfortable king-sized bed or customizable sleeping options. The bathroom includes a large shower and sleek fixtures, creating a stylish and functional space. Every detail is designed for maximum comfort, ensuring a home-like experience on the road. The Retreat ERV Hyper is a high-end electric recreational vehicle ERV designed for those seeking luxury and sustainability on the road. This innovative vehicle blends advanced electric powertrain technology with premium features, offering a quiet, smooth, and eco-friendly driving experience. Inside, the vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, including smart home integration, a fully equipped kitchen, and a comfortable living space, ensuring that travelers can enjoy all the comforts of home while exploring the great outdoors. With its cutting-edge battery system, the ERV Hyper boasts an impressive range, making it ideal for long journeys. The price of the Retreat ERV Hyper varies depending on the model and customization options, but it typically starts at around $200,000. The Crawler OTAG 620 is a versatile off-road vehicle designed for rugged terrain and extreme environments. Equipped with advanced suspension systems and a powerful engine, the OTAG 620 excels in challenging conditions, such as rocky landscapes, muddy paths, and steep inclines. Its durability and strength are enhanced by a robust chassis and reinforced tires, allowing it to maintain stability and performance even in the harshest of circumstances. The vehicle also features cutting-edge technology for navigation and control, making it suitable for both professional applications and adventurous off-road expeditions. Whether used for industrial purposes or recreation, the Crawler OTAG 620 stands out as a reliable and capable vehicle in its class. The price of a Crawler OTAG 620 is $135,000 USD.